After heavy rain in Nashville, standing water in a crawl space is evidence to document, not a space to enter casually. Stay out if water may contact wiring, HVAC equipment, sewage, pests, or unstable materials. Do not crawl through pooled water. For an electrical, structural, or sewage hazard, keep away and use the appropriate emergency or utility contact first. From the access opening or exterior, note whether water is still entering and which side appears wettest. Photograph visible puddles, damp foundation walls, fallen insulation, and muddy flow paths without reaching into the space. Outside, check for an overflowing gutter, a disconnected downspout, soil sloping toward the foundation, or a low spot holding rainwater. Avoid digging against the foundation or pumping water where it will run back toward the house. A musty odor, high humidity, condensation, or damp floor framing can persist after the puddle disappears. The EPA notes that moisture control is central to mold control and wet materials should be dried quickly, generally within 24 to 48 hours. Trained evaluation is warranted when water returns, drainage cannot be corrected from the surface, insulation or wood stays wet, mold is suspected, or electrical and HVAC components are involved. Ask for the water entry evidence before comparing drainage, vapor, or drying options. To locate a crawlspace service provider, call 877-320-4994. Again, that is 877-320-4994. This service connects callers with independent local providers. Availability varies by location.